This is a review of the wireless trackball mouse from SABLUTE that we are going to be doing a unboxing review on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we are going to be putting this to a test to. And this unboxing review, we're going to show you guys what you get inside and everything about this trackball mouse. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside. Okay, so this is everything that comes inside. It comes with the instruction manual guide. Right over here, it comes with a USB. Let's put that to the side. Right over here is the trackball mouse that we are going to take out and show you guys more in depth about it. Okay, so we got the wireless trackball mouse out. You can see how beautiful this mouse looks like. But the most important part about this, as you guys know, a standard mouse, as you get, if you're doing like video editing or anything like that, and you spend a lot of time on the computer desktop, as you guys know, having a standard mouse, it becomes very painful, especially if it doesn't come with this right over here, which is quite very important. This makes your wrist relax. So let's say, for example, if I'm doing any video editing, you can see how it doesn't make your wrist, it's not going to be like painful as compared to a one that doesn't have this feature right over here. And this does come off as well too. So you hit this button right over here, you could dismantle it if you are trying to clean it up or anything like that. You can see that I have it out just like that. Then to put it back inside, you just click it like that. It just snaps in like that. And just like here, this is your click button right over here to scroll. And then your right click right over here to go up and down right over here. This connects to your PC and your laptop or your Mac as well too. And right over here is the on and off button that comes with. So right over here, there's the on and off button. So I hit this on button right over here to click it on. You hold it long press to make the Bluetooth connect. So just like that, it'll connect to your Mac, your PC, or anything you're trying to connect to. And just like that, we are now going to show you guys the finished results when I have it connected to my MacBook Pro. But another thing I do also want to say is that the trackball mouse itself, it could also, let's say for example, if you don't have Bluetooth, which there are some things where you may not have Bluetooth, it comes with a USB. If I pull this thing out right over here, you can see you just plug that into your PC or anything that does not have Bluetooth, and they'll just automatically connect like that, which is a huge plus for them to provide that. If you have, if you own something that does not have Bluetooth, this thing will definitely come in handy right over here. But what we're gonna do now is that we are going to show you guys this connected to my MacBook Pro. Okay, so here's my MacBook Air 13-inch that's connected to, and right over here is the trackball mouse. So you just scroll just like that, and you could just click on Safari, and you could just go on to different things like that. And you click right click, it will take this to Safari. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this trackball mouse. It also comes with a rechargeable USB-C to charge it up, and it charges up very fast as well too. For the Bluetooth to connect on this is very fast as well. So it connected like pretty much like around 3 seconds, and it just connected like that. And then I could just move the mouse and scroll around and click on everything. But this trackball mouse definitely comes in hand, especially if you do a lot of video editing and you're on the computer for a countless number of hours. Then this mouse would definitely come into play. As you guys know, a standard mouse, it doesn't have this feature that comes with the ball where it makes your wrist relax. And then if you don't have this feature, it makes it very more painful if you don't have that. But this one comes with it. I would definitely recommend the SABLUTE trackball mouse if you are looking for you are trying to be on the computer for a countless number of hours to do any video editing or any type of editing, and your job is mostly on the computer. There's trackball mouse right over here would definitely not disappoint you, and I would definitely recommend this product.